Ever wondered how the music blasting from your phone or that podcast you love actually gets to your ears? Let's break it down from wires to waves and see how numbers become the sound you hear every day. Okay, so let's start with something simple. Sound is just vibration. When you speak, sing, or even tap your finger, you're making the air around you vibrate, but tech doesn't hear air, it hears electricity. That's where the magic starts. Imagine I'm talking into a microphone. My voice hits the mic and it shakes a tiny piece inside. That vibration gets turned into an electrical signal. Think of it as a kind of electric wave that copies the shape of my voice. But here's the thing, these waves are analog, smooth and continuous, and they need to be turned into something a computer can understand, numbers. Enter the analog to digital converter, or ADC for short. This little chip is everywhere, in your phone, your laptop, even your smart fridge, if you're fancy. What it does is pretty wild. The ADC takes that wavy electrical signal and thousands of times every second checks its level, like snapping a photo of the wave over and over. Each of these snapshots is called a sample. The more samples you take every second, the more accurate your digital sound will be. Now, every sample is turned into a number. The ADC measures how strong the electrical signal is at that exact moment, then writes it down as a number, usually between 0 and a set maximum, depending on how many bits it uses. For example, CD quality audio grabs 44,100 samples per second, and each sample is 16 bits. That's a number from 0 to 65,535 for every single moment. So now I've got a whole list of numbers, each representing the loudness of the original sound at a specific slice of time. When you hit play, your speaker does the same thing in reverse. It reads those numbers and pushes the air to match, creating little waves that your ears pick up as sound. The entire process, from your voice turning into electricity, then into numbers, then back into air again, happens in milliseconds. But it's the secret sauce that lets us send music around the world, store it on tiny chips and hear it perfectly clear. So next time you listen to your favorite song, remember, it's not just notes and beats, it's thousands of tiny numbers racing from wires to waves, making the magic of sound real. Pretty cool, right?